Let's take a look at this lightning charging cable. It costs around 120 rupees or around $2 or so. On the both ends it has a magnet, that's why it's sticking together like this and creating this loop with which you can put it on your keychain or backpack or anywhere. That's easy. Or you can even just stick those magnets to anything sticky. They say it's a superficial dent design. It maintains the best conjunction, so you know it's good. Again, this is how it looks. That's where the magnets are. Because of this, you can put it on your backpack or on your keychain. Other than that, it's just a regular lightning to USB charging cable. Don't expect it to give you full powered high-speed charging like the Apple cable. For emergencies, this could come quite handy. Again, it's available in mini USB too. Interesting design. But quite nice. Check it out.